Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to enable or disable text prediction for Windows 11. Turn on text suggestions in Windows to quickly complete challenging words and continue working efficiently. As you type, suggestions appear above your cursor, and you can easily select the one you want. Words are predicted based upon your spelling. As you type more letters, new and more accurate suggestions appear. Click on the Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Time and Language from the left side list. Go to Typing. Look for Show Text Suggestions when typing on the physical keyboard option. Turn the switch on if you want to enable it. Turn the switch off to disable text suggestions in Windows 11. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!